This is the final video to fix Pastebin scripts not working the right way in Roblox exploits, and I made it simple for everyone watching today. Are you trying to run a Pastebin script, but nothing happens or the exploit crashes right away? This problem happens because many players copy the wrong raw code or paste in the wrong place. And sometimes the exploit blocks the script for safety reasons, or the game updates break old scripts fast. Most videos on YouTube and posts on social media explain this with long steps, confusing words, and risky links that waste your time. But on Rex's, I share a secret easy trick that saves time and avoid mistakes. The key idea is to always load the clean raw script in a safe way that your exploit can read without errors. This method works because it removes extra text and keeps the script simple and stable. I tested it myself, and it helps beginners avoid common fails. You do not need deep coding skills or complex tools to make this work. You only need to understand how scripts load and why timing matters. Many people rush and skip this part, which causes errors again and again. Rex's focuses on clear tips that work in real games and real exploits. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial with safe examples and clear screen guidance, comment below and tell me, and I will show the exact process in the next video so you can execute Pastebin scripts correctly without stress or confusion.